Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing the scratch depth and prepping the area. Clean the headlight with soap and water, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol so nothing interferes. Once dry, mask the paint edges tightly to avoid accidental sanding. Now begin with 600 grit on the scratch only. Sand in even, gentle strokes across the scratch to remove surface defects. You do this to create a uniform base so finer grits can polish out the remaining marks. Once the initial sanding has removed rough edges, move to 1000 grit and keep the area wet. Water reduces heat and prevents scratches. Sand in one direction, then change to a perpendicular motion with 2000 grit to blend the finish. This reduces visible swirl and prepares the plastic for polishing. Make sure to wipe often and inspect under bright light, because you need to see when the scratch fades. You do this to ensure a smooth transition. You finish by applying a medium rubbing compound or plastic polish with a foam pad. Work at low speed or by hand and buff until clarity returns. Once clear, apply a plastic sealant or a UV clear coat to restore gloss and protect against yellowing. This is crucial because it preserves your work. If the scratch is still visible, repeat the 2000 grit step and polish again. If glare or distortion appears, test at night and adjust polishing pressure as a troubleshooting check.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.